very annoying. And after all the resetting, we have successfully installed our Windows operating system. And as you can see, this is our operating system. This is it. It's running, so it's off. You get me? Yo, hello guys. I hope you're all doing good. Okay, so now in our previous tutorial, we learned about how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox. And then today I'm going to show you how to install, operating systems on your VirtualBox. So when you download and install the VirtualBox, this side will be, empty. There will be no operating system here. But for me, I've already installed, 4 operating systems. So just don't worry about this. I'll show you how to do everything step by step in the future videos. But today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 on a virtual machine. So now, before we go on, make sure you have a Windows 10 operating system already downloaded. If you don't have it, I will leave, a comment. So I will leave the link in the description so that you can do what? You can download it. So let's get started. So click on New, give it name Windows 10. Select a Windows file. So click on Other. Then you locate where you downloaded it to. So I have it here, Windows 10. And then click on Next. I will change the password to. It's the password I will remember. Click on Next. Set the memory. I'll leave it at this. The memory set. I'll leave it like this. And the processor also, I'll leave it like. I'll give it like maybe 2. Yeah, 2 is alright. But for you can leave it as it is. Yeah. I have a 20 gig, so it's okay for me. Click Next. And remember, the higher you choose, the faster it becomes. And the higher you choose, the most or the lot of resources your virtual environment uses. So your computer should be strong enough. I have 12 CPU, so if I'm using 2 for this, I'm still okay. So click on Next. This is your normal virtual size. I'll use it. I'll leave it as it is. And then Next. I'll click on Finish. So basically, this is basic and simple steps we go through. And let me put this caution out. Please make sure you have a strong PC before you go through all this, or else your PC will be very slow. You think maybe there's a problem with it. No. This files take a lot of resources from your physical PC or laptop, so you need a little bit higher, something like 1 terabyte, even an SSD, or also if you have like 16 gig of RAM. I think you'll be good to go. And make sure you have high processor. So basically, this is how it is. So if you want to do same for Windows 10, the process that we went through is the same thing. So you can see, if you have ever done a Windows installation before, this is how we go through. So it is same thing, and then it will take like some few minutes to finish. So I want us to wait for the installation to finish. So now you see it's 0, so we have to move to 100. Then it install features and blah blah blah. Then we will be done. So let me get a coffee and wait for it to be done. So you can see it's almost done. I hope you got a coffee and think I'm okay. So ours is still going. Let me tell you something. This life, sometimes sorry, anytime you experience any difficulties, you have to push through. So if during the installation you have any problem or you encounter anything, just leave it in the comments and I'll show you how to do it. Or if you want any tips, just follow me for a lot of stuff. So as you can see, it's installing updates and getting finished. Yeah. So I think if you're doing it, it feel like very boring, but no, now the PC need to start. I'll just click on restart now. So to restart early. So this is our VirtualBox, and also okay. So as you can see, our installation is done. Yes, we did it. If you see all this message, that means you are on the way to success. So you are on like 95% of installation. But if you encounter any problem, please just let me know. And after all the resetting, we have successfully installed our Windows operating system. And as you can see, this is our operating system. This is it. It's running, so it's off. You get me? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question, you can ask. Please, if you enjoyed this video, just like, subscribe, and then let me show you one thing. So for now, if I want to close this, I can close it from this side. I can close it from this side. So yeah, I'll just stop, power off the machine, and it's gone. So now it's off. And if I want to delete it, it's very simple. I'll just right click, select, remove, download file. So today we learn how to install Windows 10 and how to uninstall it from a VirtualBox. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.